I did not say about one thing, and I know many of you might be wondered why I didn't mention this. Because when we open our curves, we have something like presets, and probably many of you noticed that. And the reason why I even didn't talk about this, because this is not something you're going to use. Presets mostly not going to give you really good results, and by using curves manually, you can achieve exactly what you want, but presets will not give you this. So we can have a quick look. Right now it's just set as a default, so it allows you to manipulate with your curve on your own. And we have few presets that they are not really, as you can see, color negative, strong contrast, etc. It's not something you would like to use, but we can have a quick look. And as you can see, in most of the cases, they're not going to give you really nice results. Just in the few, maybe darker, in the few small cases, it can give you good results. We could say the small case, like most of the cases, I mean 99%, it's not going to give you good results. The few that I could actually use is preset darker, lighter, and of course like medium contrast, maybe increased contrast, etc. But as you can see, even increased contrast, it doesn't give me really the result I would like to have. Maybe linear contrast, which is really soft, etc. So that was the reason why I wasn't mentioning that, because presets, it's not something that you should be bothered if you think seriously about working with Photoshop. And with this optimistic accent about our useless presets, I would like to move on with our RGB curve, and we're going to talk about colors. So you're going to understand how the colors in RGB mode works and how we can do color adjustments using just curves.